So why in the world did I just dig a hole and bury this barrel? Well, I'm gonna make my own geothermal air conditioner. Here's how it works. This is 15 or 20 gallons. Inside here is this little aquarium pump that runs like 2 gallons per minute. So it will suck water up, push it up through this tube into a radiator, and inject it back down here. Now, why am I doing that? Well, I've got a thermometer inside the water, and it's at 74 degrees, and it'll start dropping as the heat dissipates through the ground. I got this little cover to protect it from the sun. Now, why did I do this instead of the traditional rubber tubing? Well, I dug this hole in about 30 minutes using my post hole digger. The quantity of water in this is the equivalent to 250 some odd feet of piping. So this was a lot easier to do. One person did it in an hour. So let's see if it works. So here is my window AC unit. You see, it's a car radiator that I got on Amazon for $65 with a 10-inch 12-volt fan on the back to help push the air through. I have a thermometer right here to measure the temperature of the air coming out. I got a little speed control, and I've welded this bracket that fits perfectly in the window opening in the windowsill. So let's see how it works. Great. Can you come here and help me? Can you come here and help me? Inside? Outside. Okay. Push. Take this off and turn it around.
Okay.
I'm trying to get back up. I'm trying to get these holes.
Okay, do you want me to move forward?
So the way to get this to stay forward.
But I would have to go to where the materials are. That's what I have right here, right now. Let me see if I have any more around the house.
Yes, please.
My prototype hose is a little long, so I'm going to go ahead and trim it down, make it easier on the pump. And power hookup, and the water in the bucket is at 74 degrees. We're ready to turn it on and see what happens. So that's just about as simple can be. I'm using this 15-20 gallons of water, which is stable at 74 degrees, to act as a thermal mass to move the heat from inside to here, from inside my little shed to here, and then hopefully distribute it out to the ground. Now, it's not all that hot outside, but we'll let this thing rip, see what happens. .128 p.m. and we're at 82.6. So I got my cool IR thermometer, measure the actual grill itself, and the grill is at 76 degrees. 75, 75, 76. So the grill, the radiator, is colder than the surface air, than the air inside this little cabin. And the overall temperature has decreased slightly. So the concept is working. I didn't figure that volume of water was going to be enough, but the concept is working. So I turned the fan speed up a little bit to increase the airflow, but we're still under 2.5 amps or under 30 watts, which is minuscule